Hello, all. Welcome to my channel, AJ Studio. So today we are going to learn about new topic of exception handling. That is, you have seen try catch. So one more block you are going to learn. That is finary block. So let's see how exactly this finary block works in exception handling. What will I do is I first on this I will try catch around going to start, but I have to write a code first for that. In C is equal to 50 divided by 0. Okay, so now here exception occurs. I will surround it, try and catch. Okay, instead of this, going to print something. Okay, system out. I'll write something inside catch block. Catch block inside catch block. Okay, and after this, okay, after try catch, I'm catching this exception. Here exception happens 50 divided by 0. Okay, so here I'm catching that exception. After that, what will I do is I'll use a finally block, finally. Okay, finally. So in finally block, I'm going to try to print something, system.out.println. I'm going to write finally block, finally block. I'm going to write inside finally block, right? Finally block. So we will see how exactly this works, whether finally what are the things are going to get printed. When it goes to ninth line, okay, of course the exception happens. When exception happens, it will go for immediately for catch, okay, inside catch block. Okay, then of course what will happen is finally block we will see. Okay, I'll run this program. You can see both are getting printed. Inside catch block is also getting printed, and inside final block is also printed. See, when exception occurs, it will directly go for catch, and after catch, okay, it will go for finally block. So finally is a block. No matter what happens, this block will definitely execute. That is the meaning of this. Okay, no matter what, this block will definitely execute. So if you want to print something mandatory things, okay, something mandatory which you want to print at no in whatever the cost it is, so you can put that in finally block. So what will I do is see here in ninth line, I will remove exception 50 divided by 0. Okay, now what will happen is 50. Here exception is not happening. So of course, catch block will be not printed. Well, we will see whether finally block will be executed. Okay, I'll run this. We'll see what will be the output, whether both will be executed or only inside finally block will be printed. I'll run this. Okay, I can see that only inside finally block. See here, catch block is not executed. Finally block, I told you, as I told, finally block is something, if you want to print something which is mandatory for you, okay, no matter what, so it will definitely print. So that is what the meaning of this, okay, that is the main thing of finally. I hope I have understood how finally block is executed and you have understood this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.